Rheem gas furnace error code 66 is an indicator of a specific issue with your furnace. Understanding what this code means and how to address it is crucial for maintaining a functional and efficient heating system. First, it is essential to recognize that error code 66 refers to an ignition failure, which means the furnace is unable to ignite the gas to produce heat. This issue can stem from several potential causes, including problems with the igniter, gas supply, or the furnace's control board. To troubleshoot error code 66, start by checking the gas supply to ensure it is turned on and functioning correctly. Verify that the gas valve is open and that there are no leaks in the gas line. Next, inspect the igniter for any signs of wear or damage. If the igniter is faulty, it may need to be replaced. Ensure the igniter is clean and free of debris, as a dirty igniter can also prevent proper ignition. Additionally, check the furnace's control board for any issues. A faulty control board can prevent the furnace from functioning correctly, leading to error code 66. If you suspect the control board is the problem, it may be necessary to consult a professional for further diagnosis and repair. In some cases, error code 66 can also be caused by a faulty flame sensor. The flame sensor is responsible for detecting the flame once the furnace is ignited. If the sensor is faulty, the furnace may not be able to properly detect the flame, resulting in an ignition failure. To prevent future occurrences of error code 66, regular maintenance of your Rheem gas furnace is crucial. This includes annual inspections by a professional, cleaning the furnace and its components, and ensuring proper ventilation. By following these steps and understanding the potential causes of error code 66, you can effectively troubleshoot and address the issue, ensuring your Rheem gas furnace operates efficiently and safely. If you are unsure about any aspect of the process, it is always recommended to consult a professional for assistance.